to honor.
सर गोवा फॉरवर्डान एक एलिगेशन केले GMRचे गोवा फॉरवर्डान एक एलिगेशन केले GMRचे सर फीज वेव ऑफ केले.
That I think CM will give an explanation on that. No way, no this thing has been waived up. It is just a question of some date. I think CM will give explanation on that. Smart city चालू आहात आणि स्पेशल काय ना स्पेशल कंप्लीट जातो स्मार्ट सिटी त्यांना
एक्सटेंशन जे डेट दिले म्हणजे डेट एक्सटेंशन मागले त्यांच्यानी किती
ना हांव ना ते 7 तारीख कितें सांगलेले तेरे पण आता पावस पडलो आय डोंट नो व्हॉट इज कितें
स्लॅब कॉलेज होता पण स्मार्ट सिटी
अरे कितें स्लॅब जर कितें कॉलेज जालोलो आहा देट इट इज अ ड्युटी ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर बेसिकली टू हॅव इट डन एवरीथिंग विल बी डन some misshapes happen only when things have been done. We just wait for some time.
सो स्मार्ट सिटी कॉर्पोरेशनाचे चॅक उरना सर क्वॉलिटीचेर अशें दिश्टी पडटा. खूब कडेन क्रॅक्स बीन आयिल्ले आसा सो तांच्यानी चॅक दवरप गरजेचें.
See, हांवें तुका सांगलें ह्या पयलें एज फार एज स्मार्ट सिटी इज कन्सर्न ते कन्सल्टंटांक बी आसलेले हू इज टू गिव द दिस थिंग कन्सल्टंटूच आपण सँक्शन करताले ते पेमेंट. There was no basically departmental person, say PWD or someone. There should have been someone basically where responsibility could have been fixed. थोडे आता कन्सल्टंट फाटल्या दिसांनी काडलेले लेगून आहा ह्यो सारकें काम करूंक ना. हांव स्वता सांगता हे कन्सल्टन्सी कोणी हाडलेली ती पयली चिंता आनी इतले कन्सल्टंट्साक इतले पयशे दिलेले आहा ते आमचे जुवारी ब्रीज फ्री येवपाचो जस्ट चॅक
बाबूश म्हाका सांग कन्सल्टंट हाडले सगळे हाडले पूण एक्शन काय जालें ना तेंचेर काढून फक्त एक्शन करपाक जाय.
एक्शन आमी घेयना न्हू एक्शन घेवपाक वयले मनीस आहा. So it is high time that they should realize and this consultancy business we should be stopped. I think we have got our departments in PW department is there, all the other departments are there who has got basically say chief engineers are there who are knowledgeable much more than these consultants are.
विजयान DPM लेटर केल्या की
स्मार्ट सिटीचेर एक्शन कितें जाल्यार घेवचें म्हणून.
See, कितें एक्शन कितें घेवपाचें आहा एज फार एज आवर गव्हर्मेंट इज कन्सर्न वी विल टेक एक्शन इफ नीड बी इफ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हॅज नॉट डन हिज ड्युटी ऑर नो एज फार एज ही हॅज डिफॉल्टेड एज फार एज दिस थिंग इज कन्सर्न substandard work is concerned that will be taken care of. Let the smart city work be completed first. After that only once that is complete then we will know what are the
smart city corporation
आता क्रॅक येवपाक लागला डॅमेज जावपाक लागला.
सी थिंगा म्हणटा तें एज फार एज यू आर टॉकिंग नियर आमचो कॅपिलो मॉलाचें थिंगा हें जालें कॉलेज जालें. I think they were the main house they were constructing. I think there's a time the rain came. See, I am not here basically to defend the contractor. Contractor basically should be taken to task. Whoever is doing substandard work or whoever is not basically following the quality.
इन्क्वायरी मागतले तुम्ही
अरे पहिले जाऊन दी केले लेट इज बी कंप्लीट आतां तर बॉब मारल्यार ते कंप्लीट करून काम जावं.
सरकारी नोकऱ्यांचेर चिरेपणी मोठ्या प्रमाणात चलता मागीर थंय बुडोवन मरता सो तुमी हेजेर
आमकां कांय आमचे नोटा कांय वी हॅव नॉट रिसीव्ड एनी सच कंप्लेंट्स फ्रॉम एनीवन. एज फार
तुझे एक्स कॉर्पोरेटर ह्या सर इन्स्पेक्शन करूंक लागलेले आहा CCPचे
कोण इन्स्पेक्शन करता.
लायक शिकल नायक एक्स कॉर्पोरेटर तुझे इन्स्पेक्शन करूंक लागलेले.
Don't talk to me about other people. You talk to me about talk to me what I will.
So how long it will take for smart city?
See now what you do. You meet the MD of the smart city because last time also with CM we had
MD मिळाना सर MD काय.
See listen to me. As far as with CM we had inspection. I had inspection after me. CM also came and we had a joint inspection. So the time frame basically which has been given is by the MD. That so and so time this thing will be completed. No, that is the reason what I'm trying to say. You just meet the MD and ask him. He will be able to tell you the. We are giving you time frame as per the MD's as an MD.
MD is misguiding people and MLA sir.
Sorry.
MD is misguiding people and MLA.
No, I would not like to make any comment on the MD. But I am just trying to tell you whatever commitment or whatever dates what CM also has given is basically given on the basis of the dates given by the MD. So he will be the best person basically who will answer to this. I am not who is to criticize and all let everyone criticize. I had told you earlier also we'll meet in 2027.